Hello students, lesson based assessment material 2025-26 second language English, fourth class. Unit 1 Household Articles. Learning Objectives 1. First main, fill in the blanks with suitable words given in brackets. First one, the clock of life. Second one, the clock of life is owned but once. Third one, it is sad to lose one's wealth. Fourth one, loss of soul cannot be restored. Fifth one, television is found in the living room. Sixth one, Gopu went to the market. Seventh one, Gopu bought a kilo of onions. Eighth one, we own only today. Ninth one, broom is used for sweeping. Tenth one, an example of a word with a long vowel is sheep. 11th one, the word for rhymes with car. 12th one, the onions were naughty. 13th one, Gopu put all the onions in a paper packet. 14th one, the opposite of the word early is late. 15th one, the word toil means work. 16th one, a flock of sheep. 17th one, grandma fell down on the heap of stones. 18th one, it is used for drinking, washing, bathing, etc. water. 19th one, the naughty onion was pink. 20th one, the word tinny means small. 21st, a fool feels that the world is full of fools. 22nd one, mixer is used for grinding. 23rd one, a comb is used to style our hair. 24th one, Gopu took a long time to collect all the onions. 25th one, Gopu fell asleep in the living room. 26th one, the poem The Clock of Life is by Robert H. Smith. 27th one, we use a cooker in kitchen. 28th one, nail cutter is used to cut our nails. 29th one, Gopu bought a kilo of onions from the vegetable seller. 30th one, we should live, love and toil with a will. 31st one, the word that rhymes with thing is ring. 32, 32nd one, Gopu kept a large paper packet with onions in a corner on the floor. 33rd one, oh dear, where have all the onions gone? These words were said by Gopu. 34th one, an example of a word with a short vowel is bit. 35th one, a towel is used to dry. 36th one, the dinner was really late. 37th one, the poem The Clock of Life contains 8 lines. 38th one, the paper packet was soon empty. 39th one, the word pull has a short vowel. 40th one, the word wheel has a long vowel. 41 1. Gopu was very tired after coming from the market. It is the act of making a clock work by tearing a key or handle wound. 44th one. Gopu looked for the onions everywhere. 45th one. Gopu took a sharp knife. 46th one. The clock may soon be still. 47th one. I shine at night because I am a star. 48th one. Gopu heard a soft voice. 49th one. An example of a word with a long vowel, moon. 50th one. Gopu came into the kitchen to cook food. Third main match the following. Fifty-one question answer is A. To eat food dinner. B. Late early. C. Cooking food. D. Bedroom bed. E. Fit bit. F. Fell asleep sleep. Fourth man, pick out the odd one. 57th one, clock, wound, hour, man. Odd one is man. 58th one, cooker, bowl, spoons, shower. Odd one is shower. 59th one, fit, bit, ship, wheel. Odd one is wheel. 60th one, car, war, moon, far. Odd one is moon. 61st question, small, tiny, large, little, large is odd one. 62nd one, feel, deep, sheep, bit. Odd one is bit. 63rd one, broom, sweep, clean, cook. Odd one is cook. 64th one, big, small, gopu, tinny. Odd one is gopu. 65th one, bed, pillow, cot, bucket. Odd one is bucket. 66th one, 1, 2, table, 3. Odd one is table. 67th one, gopu, tired, asleep, onions. Odd one is onions. 68th one, tap, shower, soap, stove. Stove is odd one. 69th one, mixer, grinding, plate, blades. Odd one is plate. 17th one, wealth, restore, soul, health. Restore is odd one. 71 question, living room, sofa, air conditioner, voice. Voice is odd one. 72 cup, saucer, tea, work. Work is odd one. Spoon, moon, noon, cake. Cake is odd one. Tea, onions, pink, brinjal. Brinjal is odd one. Still, will, till, stop. Stop is odd one. Chair, television, sofa, bed. Bed is odd one. Market, onions, vegetable seller, soft, soft is odd one. Chair, table, sleep, work. Sleep is odd one. Man, life, has is odd one. Comb, water, hair, style. Water is odd one. Sheep, heap, feet, sit. Sit is odd one. Give one word for the following. It shows the time. Clock. The loss of this cannot be restored soul. It is the opposite of the word late, early. Gopu bought this vegetable, onions. Gopu put all the onions into this packet. It is used for drinking, bathing, and washing water. Robert H. Smith wrote this poem, The Clock of Life. This word rhymes with spoon, moon. It is used to brush our teeth, toothbrush. It is a vehicle with three wheels, tricycle. It is the place where Gopu bought a kilo of onions, market. It is a meal often eaten in the evening or night dinner. It is considered a greater loss than wealth, soul. It is a table usually used to have food, dining table. It is a word with a long vowel sound and refers to a flock of animals, sheep. Gopu went to this place to cook food, kitchen. Losing this is considered very sad, wealth or health. The pink onion spoke in this kind of voice, soft. Gopu switched this on in the living room television. It is used to cut nails, nail cutter. It is used to wipe a wet body, towel. It rhymes with thing and is warm on the finger ring. It is round in shape and used for eating food. Plate. It is used to cut vegetables. Knife. It is a synonym of the word small, tiny. Sixth main multiple choice questions MCQS. The poem says the clock of life is wound. Answer is B once. According to the poem, no one has the power to know when the clock's hands will. Answer is C. Stop. The poem suggests that losing one's time is the biggest loss. The phrase today only is our own means that we shows focus on. Answer is the present. C. Next question. The poem ends with the thought that the clock may soon be. Answer is C. Still. The author of the poem The Clock of Life is B. Robert H. Smith. In the poem, life is compared to. Answer is C. A clock. According to the poem, losing one's wealth is sad indeed. Based on the naughty onion story, the one who went to the market was. Answer is B. Gopu. From the market, Gopu bought. Answer is C. Onions. The onions were kept in a large paper. Answer is B. Bag. Gopu kept the onions, see, in a corner on the floor. After coming from the market, Gopu was very, answer is C, tired. Gopu sat and fell asleep on the bed. Answer is D, on the bed. The kind of onion that jumped out of the packet was D, a naughty pink onion. Some of the naughty onions went, answer is D, out of the window. The naughty onions went, answer is B, behind the dustbin. When Gopu couldn't find the onions he cried B, oh dear. The soft voice came from a pot inside. Inside the pot, the naughty onion was sitting happily. The dinner was late that day because the onions were hiding. The word tinny means small. The word naughty means causing trouble. We listen, recite, and enjoy poem. Gopu came into the kitchen to cook food. Seventh main, answer yes or no. Does the poem say the clock of life is wound many times? No. Next question. Is losing one's health described as sadder than wealth? No. As per the poem, is losing wealth a happy event? No. Does man have the power to stop the clock of life? No. Is Robert H. Smith the poet of the poem The Clock of Life? Yes. Did Gopu buy brinjals from the vegetable seller? No. Was the pink onion naughty? Yes. Can we restore our soul if lost? No. Did Gopu put the onions in a large wooden bowl? No. Did Gopu switch on the television after coming from the market? Yes. As per the poem, is the present not important? No. Did Gopu come into the kitchen to cook food? Yes. Was the pink onion sitting happily inside a pot? Yes. Did the pink onion speak in a soft voice? Yes. Were the naughty onions the reason for the late dinner? Yes. Do you find a picture of a modern digital clock in the poem? No. Did Gopu buy onions from the fruit seller? No. Do you find a stove in the bathroom? No. Do the words deep and pool have long vowels? Yes. Do the words bit and ship have short vowels? Yes. Did Gopu feel happy when he found the naughty onions? Yes. Do we own the future in our hands? No. Were all the onions bought by Gopu the same in size? No. Did some onions bought by Gopu the same in size? No. Should we live, love, and toil with will? Yes. Eighth main answer in a word or a sentence. Where did Gopu go? Gopu went to the market. What did Gopu buy? Gopu bought a kilo of onions. Who sold the onions? The vegetable seller sold the onions. What were some onions described as? Some onions were described as naughty. Where did Gopu place the onions? Gopu placed the onions in a large paper packet in a corner on the floor. What color was the naughty onion? The naughty onion was pink. Where did the naughty onion, hide under the table? Where did Gopu sit after coming home? Gopu sit on a sofa after coming home. What did Gopu switch on? Gopu switched on the television. What did Gopu fall into? Gopu fell into a deep sleep. Who lacks the power to stop the clock? Man lacks the power to stop the clock. What is today described as? Today is described as our own. What may soon become still, the clock of life may soon become still. What delayed Gopu's cooking? The hiding of the naughty onions delayed Gopu's cooking. Who collected the onions? Gopu collected the onions. How many lines does the poem The Clock of Life have? The poem The Clock of Life has 8 lines. Give 2 examples of words with short vowels. Bit, ship. Give 2 examples of words with long vowels. Sheep, moon. Write any 2 words that rhyme with the word moon. Noon, soon. How did the pink onion speak? The pink onion spoke in a soft voice. What might happen to the clock soon? The clock might soon become still. What were some of the colors of the onions? One of the colors of the onions was pink. Where did Gopu fall asleep? Gopu fell asleep in the living room on the sofa. What happened to the paper packet? The paper packet was soon empty. Where do you find a bed and a pillow? You find a bed and a pillow in a bedroom. Here is a picture of a market. Write a few sentences on your own based on it. Answer. This is a vegetable market. In this market, variety of vegetables sold by vegetable seller. My mother, auntie and all neighbors went to the vegetable market and buy vegetables.